Good Saturday morning, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest update for this weekend of Saturday through Monday, June 4 to 6, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Saturday. Actually, this was released last night, and this is until today, Saturday, and we'll be releasing another one late today. But so far, there's no major weather system affecting the Philippine Islands within the next 24 hours. We just have here a surface trough, which is, as of now, has dissipated during the past 12 hours. No tropical cyclone development, or LPA, is expected within the next 2 weeks based on the computer models. We just have here a weak intertropical convergence zone over the central portions of Micronesia into the Marshall Islands. Just watch out for afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms across Luzon and Visayas, including Mindanao. Also, the risk of flooding and landslides in hazard-prone areas. If we take a look at the fast animation, you can clearly see here the clear conditions across the Philippine Islands. And if we look into the zoom-in version of this satellite loop, courtesy of windy.com, it's still all clear across the Philippine Islands. There are some cloudiness with thunderstorms moving into the eastern Visayas and the northeastern Mindanao area. Within the next couple of hours, it will generate some thunderstorms there. Also here across Luzon, watch out, beginning after noontime until late afternoon, there will be some thunderstorms, being some downpour across northern and central Luzon in some sections of those areas. And if you take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days through the weekend, so far this afternoon, various areas of Luzon, except for the Bicol region, will have some thunderstorms. Some are severe, and also across the Visayas, becoming more frequent over the island of Mindanao. And on Sunday afternoon, or within the next 24 hours, so that will be tomorrow, we expect thunderstorms to return across sections of the Bicol region, including Camarines Sur, Naga City, and also here over the northern portions of Luzon, Calabarzon, Mindoro, Visayas, and Mindanao. And on Monday afternoon, same weather conditions will be expected, so watch out for some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across various sections of Luzon, including Bicol, Central Luzon, Metro Manila, areas of Mindoro, Visayas, Northern Palawan, and Mindanao. So that's the rain forecast day to day until Monday. And for the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days through Monday, most of the rainfall are concentrated across the Visayas and Mindanao, with some over the mountainous areas or inland areas of northern and central Luzon, including some portions of the Bicol region, Metro Manila, southern Tagalog provinces, Mindoro. So watch out for that. Don't forget to bring your umbrellas and rain gear or jackets. And if you take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days until Monday, so this afternoon we expect variable winds across the Philippine Islands, with some southwesterly winds over the West Philippine Sea and the northern portions of the South China Sea into the Batanes, Babuyan, Cubao Islands. On Sunday afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, we expect still the effects of the light southwesterly winds or the weak habagat across the extreme northern parts of Luzon. That's the areas of Batanes and Babuyan. While variable winds, calm to variable winds will be expected across the country. And on Monday, some light southerly winds will be expected along the coastal areas of the northern and central Luzon, including eastern Visayas, and southwesterly winds over the West Philippine Sea. And southwesterly wind flow with some light to moderate breeze will be expected across Batanes and Babuyan Group of Islands. And this is a weak habagat because of the frontal system here, or the major front, which is expected to enhance the southwesterly wind flow, but it's not yet a full-blown habagat. That's why we are still experiencing some good weather, but in the afternoon or evening we expect some thunderstorms to occur in various sections of the country. So there you go, that's the latest for this weekend, and we will return on Monday to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, MrTyphoon.tv, or YouTube.com/Mr. Typhoon, or at our Facebook page, Facebook.com/Mr. Typhoon, or MrTyphoon.com, for you to be updated on the latest situation across the Philippine Islands. Again, have a happy weekend to all. Take care, and thank you so much for watching.